Günaydın and welcome back to Istanbul. This time I'm taking you on a truly tasty journey to find out why this is also known as a gastrocity. We are on the ferry which takes us from the European to the Asian side, where we are going to discover the delights of the famous Kadıköy market. Colors and smells assail you as you step inside this Istanbul market. Here you can pop into family-run grocery stores, historical pickle shops, spice and fish stands. Or you can try sweets famous across the city. Kadıköy market perfectly reflects the direction Istanbul is taking towards becoming a paradise for food lovers, with one peculiarity.
This city is one of the oldest cities in the world. And we are very lucky that, like here in Istanbul, we have this Byzantine Greek heritage. We have the Anatolian and Turkish heritage. We have these minorities. All this come together and makes our unique Ottoman cuisine.
It's really hard to choose what to taste. We'd like to go home with our bags filled up, as Istanbulites do.
People come here for buying fish and vegetables and also
Spices.
Yes, spices as well. I will also show you some breakfast items here. These olives comes from all around Turkey, and it's very typical Turkish that we eat olives in our breakfast.
Turkish breakfast. Just thinking about it makes my mouth water. I have to show you what I'm talking about. Let's go. Breakfast, or kahvaltı, which means before coffee, is the most important meal for the Turkish. The flavors of Turkish breakfast include sweet, spicy and salty. This unique concept consists of small dishes with different products and tastes spread across the entire table.
Bugün artık bir öğün olarak biz Türk kahvaltısını işte burada gördüğünüz gibi seronomi şeklinde, çok renkli bir şekilde, sadece doymak amacıyla yapılan bir şey olmadığını, dost ve aile meclislerini bir araya getiren ve saatlerce belki süren bir seronomi havasında geçen bir ritüel olarak bunu tanımlayabiliriz.
There are different variations depending on the region, but some things are a must, such as olives, cheese, seasonal vegetables, eggs, black tea and pastries.
Börekten, kalem böreğimizden verelim. Evet.
This is?
Kalem böreği.
Okay.
Evet, burada imal ediliyor.
Once you have finished eating, you can finally have your strong Turkish coffee. Istanbul's culinary scene offers a unique experience for international gourmets thanks to its diversity and traditions and the openness of the local culinary landscape. There are 5 restaurants here with at least 1 Michelin star, the prestigious acknowledgement. Among them, Nicole. Chef Serkan Aksoy revamps traditional recipes using international techniques. Creativity is employed with respect and a sense of purpose.
Bazı ürünleri böyle son dokunuşta kullandığımız küçük yeşillikleri, çiçekleri bahçemizden kullanıyoruz. Ekibimden arkadaşlarla birlikte mantar toplamaya gidiyorum. Yabani ot topluyorum. İşte servis edebilirim. Çünkü ben köyde doğup büyüdüğüm için o tarz ürünleri de biliyorum.
Turkish cuisine has evolved in the recent decades and is still doing so.
Çok yetenekli, kendini geliştiren ve yeniliği ve iyiyi arayan çok fazla genç şef var. Kesinlikle Michelin saralan restoran sayısı özellikle Michelin farklı lokasyonlara da rotasını aldığında çoğalacaktır. Ve ister istemez yarışta kızışacaktır. Yani
It was certainly a memorable experience. Well, it's fair to say I really enjoyed this side of Istanbul and I'm already looking forward to what's next. Stay with us for another adventure in Turkey. Görüşürüz.